rest of the solutions out there in the market. What we really have is a client-server architecture, but we have really flipped over the client-server functions. In our case, the server does not perform the processing actions. The server is actually a communication hub and a database. All the processing really happens on the client side. Each client will perform the processing for its own. It will perform the activities, come up with a result, and just simply send the result back to the server. This means two things. There is less chatter on the network, and because the endpoint agent is sitting within the computer which is being monitored and managed, the agent has much better view and control over that computer. The agent is a continuous self-assessment agent. That means it will constantly keep monitoring the status of those endpoints. This makes our system very fast because each agent is independent of anything else on the network. It can be, it doesn't have to rely on the server. It doesn't have to rely on any other agent out there. That means if one computer does a job in 5 minutes, practically every other computer can do the same job in almost the same amount of time. So if you have 100 computers, 2 computers, or 2 lakh computers, a job that can be done by one computer in 5 minutes, eventually all the 200,000 desktops can do the same job in that same amount of time. That gives you tremendous speed. Now you can actuate controls and see the results really quickly because there is no dependency of the server's participation in any processing. The server is totally out. It doesn't have to participate in the client's processing. The client is self-sufficient. The client gets all the necessary intelligence that it needs to tackle a problem with something that we called facelets. This is a proprietary patented technology of IBM. Facelets is actually a small message which contains 2 parts. One is the assessment, second is the remediation. Assessment part tells the agent how to identify problems. The remediation part tells the agent how to fix the problem. Now because this information is available to every single computer, every single agent out there, each computer, each agent is self-sufficient to fixing problems that occurs on its own host. And that brings in all that speed. We are also virtualization ready. That means the server, the console, the agents, the relays, all our components can be installed on virtual infrastructure. It can be virtual desktops, it can be virtual servers. We are ready for that. And this brings me to the second last slide. It's a summary slide. On the left-hand side, you see solutions that provide the IT operations functions. On the right-hand side, you see solutions that provide the IT security functions. So we have, on the operations side, we have the endpoint manager for lifecycle management, mobile device management. Patch management is available separately just in case someone wants to only use patch management as a function. However, patch management is a part of lifecycle management as a whole. Power management and software use analysis. On the security part, we have security and compliance. Core protection is the antivirus offering that we spoke about a couple of slides back. Endpoint management for mobile devices also appears under the security portfolio simply because there are a lot of security settings that mobile devices use, and those can be enforced using the Tivoli Endpoint Manager. And lastly, patch management, because a lot of those patches out there are security patches which cause security concerns. And that brings me to the end of my presentation. I will be open for questions. I have a